Here are the top 10 richest footballers in Nigeria in 2024. Nigeria is richly blessed with super talented high-profile footballers, plying their trade in top football clubs around the world. These players have acquired so much wealth, signing lucrative contracts while doing so. So today we'll be revealing the top 10 richest footballers in Nigeria in 2024, their cars, mansions, clubs, wages, and many more. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating, and exciting content. Welcome to Chizi Media. Number 10 on the list today is Ademola Lookman with an estimated net worth of 20 billion naira. He was born on the 20th October 1997. He is a winger who plays for Atalanta Football Club in the Italian Serie A. The England-born winger who began his senior career in 2015 with Charlton Athletic in the Championship before getting the big money move to the Premier League, signing for Everton. Ademola Lookman represented England at the various youth levels from the under-19 to the under-21. However, in 2022, he decided to represent Nigeria at the senior level. In the 2024 African Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast, he scored 3 goals as Nigeria finished runner-up to the host nation. He was one of the best performing players at the tournament. Next on the list today is Taiwo Awoniyi with an estimated net worth of 25 billion naira. He came into the limelight in 2010 when he was voted the most valuable player at the Coca-Cola football competition in London. He caught the attention of ex-Super Eagles star Sheyi, who invited him to join the Emperor Soccer Academy. But it was 3 years later that he blew up with his performance for Nigeria at the 2013 FIFA Under-17 World Cup in the United Arab Emirates, where he scored 4 goals, helping Nigeria to win the game. After that, he represented Nigeria at the 2015 FIFA Under-20 World Cup in New Zealand, where he scored 2 goals in the tournament. In July 1st, 2022, Taiwo Awoniyi signed a 5-year contract with Nottingham Forest, where he earns a whopping £50,000 weekly. Next on the list today is Aribo with an estimated net worth of 28 billion naira. He was born on the 21st June 1996 in London, United Kingdom. He started his football career at Kinetic Academy, where he later signed by the non-league football club Stainstown, where he stayed for a year before catching the attention of bigger clubs in England. Aribo has since played for Charlton Athletic, Scottish Giants, Rangers, which he also earned the big money move to the Premier League while joining Southampton. He earns a whopping salary of £70,000 weekly. Next on the list today is nobody but Samuel Chukwueze with an estimated net worth of 30 billion naira. He was born on the 22nd May 1999. He is a Nigerian professional footballer who also plays at the club level with Italian giant AC Milan. Samuel hails from Umuahia in Abia State, the southeastern part of Nigeria. He came into the limelight after his impressive performance at the Under-17 World Cup in 2015 in Chile, where he came as the 3rd best player of the tournament. He was scouted and signed by the Spanish club Villarreal in 2017. He spent 6 years at the club before moving to AC Milan on a £25 million deal with a weekly wages of £85,000. Next on the list today is Wilfred Ndidi with an estimated net worth of 32 billion naira. He was born on the 16th December 1996. He is currently 27 years old. He is a defensive midfielder who plays for Leicester City Football Club in England. He started his football career at Networth Academy in Lagos before getting the attention of Genk FC in Belgium. He played there for 2 years before moving to England in 2016 in a £17 million deal for Leicester City. He won the FA Cup and Community Shield in 2021 and he earns a whopping £90,000 weekly. Next on the list today is Iwobi with an estimated net worth of 35 billion naira. He was born on the 3rd May 1996 in Lagos, Nigeria, but he later relocated to England with his family when he was just 10 years old. He started his football career in Arsenal as a junior player, where he made his debut in the Premier League. He was later sold on a 5-year contract for a £30 million deal to Everton, where he earned a whopping £5 million annually. Iwobi later moved to Fulham, where he plays currently. He earns a whopping £80,000 weekly. Iwobi is a lover of extravagant lifestyle. He owns several luxurious and expensive cars. He has a massive mansions in England and also in Nigeria here. He loves his expensive and luxurious cars. He owns a Lamborghini, a Rolls-Royce, Bentley and a Ferrari. Next on the list today is nobody but Kelechi Iheanacho with an estimated net worth of 36 billion naira. He was born on the 3rd October 1996 in Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. He is currently 27 years old. He plays for Leicester City Football Club in the Championship in England. He was a highly promising talent during his youth. He is nicknamed Senior Man Cares with a renowned vision, dribbling, speed and finishing. He represented Nigeria at the 2013 Under-17 World Cup, where he was named the best player of the tournament, where he led Nigeria to glory. Next on the list today is Victor Osimhen with an estimated net worth of 40 billion naira. He was born on the 29th December 1998. He is currently 26 years old. Victor is regarded as one of the best strikers in world football right now. Victor Osimhen was born and raised in Lagos State, but he hails from Edo State, Nigeria. Victor Osimhen came into the limelight after his impressive performance at the 2015 Under-17 World Cup, where he won the Golden Boot and the best player of the tournament. He later signed for Wolfsburg, then Lille in France, before moving to Napoli in a £75 million deal, and also made him the highest paid player in the club for a £245,000 weekly. Victor Osimhen led the club to their first league title in over 50-something years. Victor Osimhen became the best player in Africa. Victor Osimhen have several expensive and luxurious cars, from a Rolls Royce to a Bentley to a Lamborghini Aventador. Victor Osimhen has 3 estates in Lagos. Next on the list today is Ahmed Musa with an estimated net worth of 41 billion naira. He was born on the 14th October 1992 in Jos, Plateau State. Ahmed Musa is the first Nigerian to score twice in a World Cup match against Argentina in 2014, with over 108 appearances for the Nigerian Super Eagles. Ahmed Musa won 4 league titles for the Russian giant CSKA Moscow, and also he was part of the Nigerian squad that won the 2013 African Cup of Nations against Burkina Faso. He currently plays for Turkish club Liverpool. Number 1 on the list today is nobody but Odion Ighalo with an estimated net worth of 50 billion naira. He was born on the 16th June 1989. He started his football career with Prime and Julius Berger FC in Lagos before moving to Norway in 2007. A year later, he signed for the Italian club Udinese, spending most of his tenure on loans in Granada. In 2014, he signed for Championship club in England, Watford, helping them gain promotion to the Premier League. In 2017, he joined Chinese Super League in a £20 million move. In January 2020, he joined Manchester United on a loan deal. Odion Ighalo is currently the richest footballer in Nigeria. He owns an exotic mansion in Lekki, Lagos. This said mansion is said to be worth over 5 billion naira. Odion Ighalo owns a lot of expensive and luxurious cars. His mansion has a football pitch, a cinema room, a gym house, an underground parking garage, and other amenities. This is a true definition of luxury. Okay guys, tell us what you think about it. Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.